The Fox and the Fish. Once upon a time in a lush, green forest, there lived a clever fox named Felix. Felix loved to explore the forest and discover new things. One sunny morning, as he wandered near a sparkling river, he spotted a fish swimming gracefully in the clear water. "Hello, fish. I'm Felix the fox." "What's your name?" he called out. The fish popped her head out of the water and smiled. "Hi, Felix. My name is Finny. What brings you to the river today?" "I'm looking for something exciting to do," said Felix. "Do you know any fun games we can play?" Finny thought for a moment. "How about a game of hide and seek? I'll hide, and you try to find me." Felix agreed eagerly, and Finny swam away, disappearing into the reeds and rocks. Felix searched high and low, peeking under leaves and behind bushes along the riverbank. But no matter how hard he looked, he couldn't find Finny. After a while, Felix called out, "Finny, I give up." "Where are you?" With a splash, Finny jumped out of the water and landed back with a big grin. "Here I am. That was fun. Let's play again." Felix laughed. "You're really good at hiding, Finny. But I have an idea for a new game. How about a race? I'll run along the riverbank and you swim in the water. Let's see who's faster." Finny agreed, and they lined up at the starting point. "Ready, set, go," shouted Felix. He dashed along the riverbank while Finny swam as fast as she could in the river. They raced side by side, with Felix leaping over rocks and roots and Finny darting through the water like an arrow. When they reached the big oak tree that marked the finish line, they both arrived at the same time. They laughed and cheered, celebrating their tie. "You're an amazing racer, Felix," said Finny. "That was so much fun." "You too, Finny," said Felix. "I've never had a friend like you. Even though we're different, we make a great team." From that day on, Felix and Finny became the best of friends. They played games, raced, and shared many adventures together. Felix taught Finny about the forest, and Finny showed Felix the wonders of the river. Every evening, as the sun set and painted the sky with colors, they would sit together by the river, happy to have found a friend in each other. And so, Felix and Finny lived happily, knowing that friendship is the greatest adventure of all.